In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Alibaba promo code. We'll walk through the exact path on Alibaba that leads to savings, and I'll point out what to look for so you can unlock promo codes and other benefits with confidence. Start by heading to Alibaba.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your buyer account so the right options and rewards appear for your region and currency. From the homepage, look along the top navigation and click Buyer Central. This is your hub for buyer tools and perks, including access to coupons, order protections, and member-only offers that often include promo codes. Inside Buyer Central, select Membership Program. This area bundles the benefits that can help you lower costs and qualify for promo incentives. You'll see sections that highlight the program's value, such as reduce costs, protect orders, and improve efficiency. Reduce costs is where Alibaba typically surfaces savings like coupons, shipping discounts, or exclusive promo codes tied to your membership status. Protect orders covers safeguards like dispute resolution and trade assurance. Improve efficiency introduces tools that streamline sourcing and communication with suppliers. Scroll until you find the section that says Discover the benefits for your stage. Alibaba organizes buyer benefits by stage, and your stage determines which coupons or promo codes you may receive. Click Unlock Your Stage to begin. You'll be prompted to complete a short checklist to unlock the seed stage. Follow the on-screen guidance, then click Next to continue. You'll now complete your business profile. Keep your details accurate and consistent with any documents you might use later for verification. Provide only the information requested and ensure it reflects how you actually purchase on the platform. When you're done, click Next. The final part is to verify your business information. Carefully review what you entered and complete any verification prompts. Consistency is key here. Mismatched information can delay activation of your benefits. Once your stage is unlocked and your profile is verified, your membership perks typically activate. To find your promo codes, return to Buyer Central or the membership program page and look for coupon or reward sections. You can also check your account's coupon sensor or watch for eligible promo codes to appear during checkout. Always review the terms. Expiration dates, minimum order values, and seller eligibility can affect whether a code applies. If something doesn't show, double check that your region and currency are set correctly and that you're logged in. That's it. By navigating to Buyer Central, enrolling through the membership program, unlocking your stage, and verifying your business, you'll put yourself in the best position to receive Alibaba promo codes and maximize your savings.